Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again. So today we are doing an everyday makeup tutorial. So if you are not hit the subscribe button, do well to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Comment your thoughts about the video. So with no further ado, let's go straight to the video. Combing my brow hair with a spoolie. Then I line my brow with Davis number 18 eye pencil. I start filling it in from the inner corner towards the outer corner. I then go back with the spoolie to comb it so that it will look natural. I go back and forth with the spoolie and the pencil to obtain a satisfactory eyebrow. I go with Elegel Pro Conceal to clean my lower brow. And you don't need too much product when you are doing this process. I then go in with Maybelline Superstay foundation to clean my upper brow. And again, when you are doing this process, less is more. Don't be like me. I then prep the eyelid with a Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. Now to the face. I use olive oil to moisturize first. I then go in with the Nivea body lotion as my moisturizer. I pat it into my face. I then use Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. I then use a damp beauty blender to tap it in. I don't drag, I tap. We're almost getting there. I continue to tap and don't forget the neck. So I go back in with the Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. I'm highlighting my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead. I then blend it out with the damp beauty blender. So take your time, blend. The secret is blending. I use the contour shade as my eyeshadow today. I don't want my eyelid to look like the rest of my face. So to set the highlighted part of my face, I dip the damp beauty blender in the powder, blow out the excess, then dab it in. I don't bake. I don't just like baking. I think it makes your makeup look cakey. I then contour. I'm using a circular motion so that there will be no harsh lines. I use a black eye pencil to line my waterline. I then go in with a liquid liner. I go in with the eyelashes since I'm not blessed in that section, so I wear falsies. On a regular day, I don't do too much highlighting, so I do mild ones. So I light my nose, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow. I take a silver eyeshadow from Morphe 35A eyeshadow palette to apply on my tear dot area. I then line my lips with Davis number 3 pencil. Then use this pink lipstick, baby pink, on my lips. I then set my entire face with the classic Mist and Fix setting spray. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video and support your girl by subscribing. Thank you.